Are you wanting to learn how to use Procreate? Well, this is lesson 4. You need to go back and watch the other ones, but I'm Christy. I teach lettering and doodling on the iPad. I'm going to show you one of my favorite things about Procreate, and that is making your own color palette out of a picture. So we're going to click on the round color palette. We're going to go down here and we're going to make sure that we hit palettes. And then this is all my palettes I've made. And then you'll see a plus sign. That's what we're looking for. Hit the plus sign and then you'll see 4 options. You're going to look around and find something that you like the colors of that you want to capture as a color palette. I'm going to go, okay, I've got my journal here that I'm going to create the palette from, and I'm going to click on the color palette. I'm going to go back to the plus sign, and then I'm going to go new from camera. Now I've pulled up my camera. When I put the camera around whatever item it is that I want to get the color palette from, you can see it's making a palette. It's hard to do on camera right here. Okay. So see the colors right there? Let's say that's what I want to use. And right over here, see my finger over here? We're going to click that. That's the photo button. And now that's our color palette. Isn't that the coolest? Okay, so now that you have the color palette here, it's actually defaulted. See that little blue check? That's defaulted. So if you go back to the disk, you've got it right here, easy access. I hope you had fun with this lesson. I absolutely love the color palette options. Stay tuned. I'm going to bring you more videos, and then you'll learn a little bit about my membership group that's opening soon.